Dylan's tree world.
Oh, that's fun.
What?
Okay.
Yeah, it's
I found.
tiny. Don't hurt him. Careful. He'll pounce, man. You gotta keep him over by the sink till we let him go. That's neat.
This tree frog's awesome.
Just our lucky day today, huh?
Oh.
Is it our lucky day today?
Mhm.
Well, if you could keep that one, what would you name him?
You get to come up with half of it. I get to come with half. That's all I do.
You go ahead and name it.
No.
He likes you. He's not jumping off you like he jumped on me. Or jumped off of me.
He's scared. Look at him.
Oh, he's just chilling. Probably looking at himself in the mirror. Thanks for another tree frog. I like that tree frog. That tree frog is sexy. Right? What do you think? You probably never seen him in the mirror, huh? Probably never seen him. Maybe on the car.
Yeah, you might have just seen a car before. He's
We're
probably
gonna let him.
what are those big, thick tree frogs that have wheels?
Say your goodbye. Now you might see him again in your adventure of life.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Toothbrush. No. Enough recording.